Hello everyone. Today I am delighted to introduce you to Fluent Fusion, an innovative language learning and translation app. Our app uniquely combines the joy of gamified language learning through the interactive games and making the translation a breeze. Let us take a dive into how our app works and experience its magic. This is our homepage where we offer a blend of interactive language learning through enjoyable games and translation tool with pronunciation assistance and a chatbot to enhance your communication skills. Let us sign up to start exploring the app. Here you can either sign up using the Google account or provide your own credentials. Once you have chosen the Google button, then you can sign up using your emails. But now I am choosing my own credentials to sign up. My email and my password. And once you have completed your sign up process, you have to log in. For login, make sure that you have using the correct credentials that you have used it for the sign up. After logging successfully, you have two options. First one is the language learning journey or the language translator. For suppose I choose the language learning. By selecting this option, a variety of languages will be presented, allowing you to choose your preferred language to continue your learning journey. And here you can see that if you choose language like French, you will see the unique benefits of learning French highlighted here. Likewise, all the languages are provided here with their unique benefits. Let us choose French for learning. After selecting French, a dashboard with different levels and a guidebook will be appear. You can learn from the guidebook and attempt the levels to enhance your learning. Let us dive into the guidebook and explore. Here you can see that our unit 1 consists of grammar tips and key phrases. And we have included learning material along with the pronunciation assistant. And for that pronunciation assistant, I have used an external translation API, my memory API. And for fetching the details, I have used the fetch function to make HTTP request to the API. And for the text to speech functionality, I have used the web speech API where I have taken the language and text as parameters, and then by using the speak method of speech synthesis, object is called to start speaking the provided text in specified language. And here you can see some basic phrases like I am Mary, it's a cat is eating, are you Mark. Through this through this guidebook, you can learn the French translation and pronunciation. For example, for knowing the pronunciation, we have to click on the volume icon. If you click on that volume icon, you can learn pronunciations from those. Let us see that.
Je suis Marie. C'est un chat. Un chat mange. Tu es Marc?
Like this, you can know the French translation and pronunciations at a time. And here some tips are provided for basic phrases like here you can hear those pronunciations. Let us listen it.
Un garçon. Une fille. Un homme. Un chien.
And here you can learn from scratch with detailed explanation, and you can learn with the pronunciations.
Je suis un garçon.
Here is a small conversation between two peoples. This is a conversation of greeting peoples. Here you can listen it.
Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va très bien, et toi? Ça va. Au revoir, Marie. Au revoir, bonne journée. Merci beaucoup.
As you can see here, it is provided with the English along with the French translation and their pronunciations. It in the same box to improve the communication skills and to improve the pronunciation fluently. We have included like this, and here is another tip of essence. And this guidebook will provided for each unit where you can learn efficiently and pronounce fluently. Here this ascent tip is for the pronunciation of the particular word in that particular letter in that word. Here you can see the pronunciation of that particular letter in that word. Let us see it.
Petition. Bête. Bête.
So this is the way to pronounce that letter in that particular word. Like this, tips will be provided to improve your learning skills. And after learning from the guidebook, you can test yourself through the levels provided in the unit. Here you can see that there is only first level unlocked and all the levels are locked. So to unlock the all the levels, we have to attempt the first level, and after then we can access the next levels. And let us attempt the first level. Here first level is an interactive quiz. We have to click the image to match the translation. As we can see here, the first question is which one of this is a boy. As you can see through the images, this is the boy.
Le garçon.
Here you can see that when we click on the correct option, it will increment the score and provide you with some explanation. And if you choose wrong, let me make a mistake for the next question, like which one of this is a cat. As we know that first one is a cat, but let us put the boy as
Le
option.
garçon.
Here it is. Here we have choose the wrong option. That's why the score is not incremented and it display the error message like incorrect. Choose. Try again. So advantage of this is you can try until that option will is correct, because it is a part of learning. We have to make mistakes and learn from those. Let us keep the correct answer.
Le
Cat.
chat.
So it will provide the answer with explanation and with the pronunciation for learning. So let us complete this quickly.
Homme. Fille. Chien. Un.
As you can see here, after some questions, it will display two buttons like reset and submit. Here the reset button will start the quiz from starting, and if you want to attempt the reattempt the quiz, then we have to click on the reset button. But you have as we have attempted all the questions correctly and the score is also 6, you can just submit it and we can access the next level. Here now you can see that initially the second level is locked, and after that we are playing the first level and we have attempting all the correct questions. Second level is unlocked, so let us attempt this second level. As you can see here, this second level is consisting of quiz in which there is a two sets. One set is English and another set is
Cat.
French.
Garçon.
So for the main theme of this matching is we have to match the correct translation of the English words. uh, Let us do it.
Cat. Chat.
As you can see here, when we match the correct translation, the score is incremented and it is showing the message like correct match. And if you want to know the pronunciation of the individual words, you can just put the cursor on those buttons to know the pronunciations. Let us see this.
Un. Homme. Chat. Et.
You can also know the pronunciations of the English as well.
Man. A. N.
This is the purpose of knowing only the pronunciations of the word, but we have to pass this quiz we have to make the correct options. So let us make a mistake. For
Boy.
suppose boy, let us match it to
Homme.
one or so here we match the correct incorrect translation. That way it is showing the message like incorrect match, try again. Here also it is an advantage that you can attempt this quiz until you get the correct answers. So let us quickly submit this quiz.
Boy. Garçon. N. Et. A. Un. Man. Homme.
Here you can see that the score is incremented to 5 as I have put all the options correctly. So next we have to go to the next level. that is a set 2. Here
The
also
girl.
there is a two sets, one is a English and another one is a French. Now also we have to match the correct translation. Let us do it quickly.
The girl. La fille. Cat. Chat. The woman. La femme. I. Je. Man. Homme.
uh, Here you can see that when we click on the next button, the sets will be coming and coming like this. There will be some five set of questions, and maybe some of them are repeated for improving our skills. And there is a reset button. When we click on the reset button, we will be redirect from the first question onwards, and previous button for the previous questions. Like this, we have to attempt the quiz. But let us do that. If we are not attempting this quiz correctly, that means we are quitting this quiz in the middle. Let us do that. um, since I have not submitted the set all the set of questions provided in the level 2, the level 3 is not unlocking. It is still in the lock position. So we have to, if you want to proceed to the next level in the unit, you have to complete all the questions and you have to complete those in the correct way. That is important in these levels. So like this, some sort of five levels, five units are there, and it may be take to that 40 to 50 units to cover a language. If you want to learn a language completely, it may take some 30 to 40 units. So this is about the language learning. And here there is some three main buttons like connect with friends, start conversation, and create profile to save your progress. Here the first button, connect with friends, is about to playing the games with friends. That means here when we click on the play online button, we will create a room with our friends and we can join and play with our friends, and we can bet some hearts to one against them, like that. And start conversation is here we are thinking to keep a bot which will interact with the user, so that when user choose their preferred language, the bot will chat in that language. And here the create profile is just creating your avatars, etc. So this is a simple language learning platform. Now let us go and explore our language translation page. For that, we have to sign in again. Make sure you are keeping correct credentials that you have kept while sign up. And here it is again asking for choose path. As we already explored the language learning, now let us explore the language translator. So this is the language translator. You can give the input as words or sentences to be translated into your preferred language. Here you can click on the volume icon to hear the pronunciation, and you can click on copy icon to copy the text to your clipboard. Let us give a try and see how it works. Let me give a sentence like a cat and a dog. Now let me convert this sentence to French. For that we have to click simply on the translate text button. Now it will convert the language which we have given in English to the French, and we can also know the pronunciation of that by clicking on the volume icon.
On chat et on GN.
We can also know the pronunciations of the English.
A cat and a dog.
If you want to copy that sentence to the clipboard, you just click on the copy icon. Then it will display the message like text copied to clipboard. Then it automatically copies the text to our clipboard. So make sure that you have using the two different languages while translation. For suppose I have giving the English again for translation, and I have click on the translate text. Then it will display the message like please select two distinct languages. So we have to give the two different languages for the conversion. Let us give the another language like Italian. It is translating the text from English to Italian. We can also listen the pronunciation too.
Una copia de cane e gare.
Let us convert it into another language like Gujarati or German. Here it's German. Like this, it will convert the one language from one language to another language, and we have to give the two distinct languages for our conversion, and you can also listen to the pronunciations. In the conclusion, this app provides you gateway to seamless linguistic journey from gamified learning to effortless translations and enhanced communication. We strive to break language barriers and foster a global community. Join in this and unlock the boundless potentials of language. Happy learning and translation with Fluent Fusion. So let us dive into our code. So this is our code which I have given for the developing that website, and this is the index.js file. It is a main. It plays a main role, enables the creation of APIs and routing for the handling different HTTP requests. In this JS file, I have included some packages like express, request, body parser, path, session, password, hash, etc. The main purpose of these packages is express is used for um, handling the routing, and it is used for making the HTTP requests, and request package is used for uh, making the requests from the external resources, and body parser is used for parsing the request body in HTTP request, and path is used. It provides a utility for working with the files and directory paths. Session is used for package for managing user session in express.js applications, and password hash is used for securely hashing and verifying passwords. Storing passwords as a plain text is a risk, so we use the password hash. So these are the packages I have used in the index.js files, and in views I have given the files like dashboard 1 2 3 4 5. These all are the codes of the website, and here there is a home.ejs file, and sign up and sign in file all are provided in the views with ejs extensions, and there is a key.json and package.json and package.json. All these files are combined together and working to make the website to run successfully. So thank you.